So let's continue from here. Today we are looking at forecasting demand. So forecasting demand, it's an activity of estimating the quantity of the product or services a consumer will purchase. There is need for us to appreciate why we need to forecast demand. It aids in market pricing decisions and then used in assessing the future capacity requirements and then helps in making market decisions. We have methods of forecasting demand. We have what you call the qualitative method and quantitative method. The forecasting is we are still on quantification, but we are looking at what are the different methods of quantification. We have qualitative method and then quantitative. Under qualitative, we have other methods under it, where we call the Delphi methods, that is interactive forecasting method, where you have to interact to find out or to get the specific information that you require. The jury of executives' opinions, that is high-level managers estimate demand. And then we have the sales force market. Each salesperson is asked to project their sales. And then we have consumer market survey. We see that consumers are asked about their purchasing plans and their projected buying behaviors. So we have that as number 4. And then when we look at the quantitative methods, the qualitative methods or other methods of qualitative, we see prediction market, comfort analog, stimulated interventions, judgment boost, trapping, and then unaided judgment. And then quantitative methods, we see that we use historical data, that is extrapolation, process of constructing a new data point that relies on the prior knowledge created by the existing data points. And when we look at consumption method, this is actually what we do with it. We look at the prior information or data that was recorded, and then we estimate or construct the specific data while we cater for adjustments of losses and other specifications that we put. And then we have reference class forecasting. Look at similar past situations and their outcomes. Okay, so that is what the quantitative ones are. So let's see more of the qualitative. We have the causal model, a mathematical technique known as regression analysis and correlation analysis. None of the above is 100% accurate, usually combined methods. So for us to forecast demand, we have to mix the method. We don't have to go with one method. We need to mix them. So there is need for us to mix and understand all of them and see how we can use them, both the quantitative and qualitative, those other models or methods under them, and then which one is appropriate for our facility. So that's all on forecasting demand. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned to this channel for more learning and be equipped with knowledge, because every lecture gives us a new knowledge and a new thing to learn from. Thank you. That's all on forecasting of demand.